Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add admin to your TikTok group chat. Alright, let's get it started. So first, make sure you watch the video until the end so you don't miss any steps, and make sure you have updated your TikTok application to the latest version. So now first step is to open your TikTok application, and here you have to go to your inbox, and now what you have to do is select a group chat. So I'm here in my group chat. So now the next step, what you have to do is just click on the group chat name. On the top side you can see the group chat name. Click over here, and what you have to do now is just scroll down until you see the members. So now what you have to do is, on the right hand side you can see the three dots. What you have to do is click over here, and here you can see the option for make admin. So all you have to do is click over here, and here you can see the warning that all admin rights will be transferred to the user and you won't be able to undo this. So with that, the other member is now the admin, and the admin rights of our has been taken away. So that is how you'll be able to add admin to your TikTok group. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.